Everyone with a manual transmission muscle car does this. You put it in neutral, and when you're under a bridge, you do this. Alright, today's video, a review of this Quiet Ride divider. If you're not familiar with C5 Corvettes, it looks like a piece of foam. How much did I pay for this piece of foam? $40. Why did you pay $40 for a piece of foam? When you look at the trunk area, it's connected to the passenger area without any divider, and that's what this is for. And it should quiet the interior a little bit. Here's a look at the trunk area from behind the driver's seat. Everything's connected. I can keep my camera equipment on the other side, and now I have this separate back half of the trunk. So now when I accelerate, all my camera equipment won't slide into this hole. That's without the Quiet Ride divider. That's with the Quiet Ride divider. So it looks like 1 decibel quieter at idle. With the Quiet Ride divider in place, the interior is only 1 decibel or 2 quieter, so it's not very good at quieting the interior, but it'll make an excellent divider. So anything you put behind you will always be within reach, and when you accelerate, it won't slide to the back into that hole. So you'll always have access to whatever you need behind you. And it also splits the trunk in half, so the AC has less area to cover, so it might boost your AC's effectiveness since it doesn't have to travel back there. Less cubic feet to cool off. I'm thinking about putting some carpet on this so it'll match the interior a little better. So I might get some cheap carpet and make this Quiet Ride divider nicer. You could buy them carpeted, but it's expensive. It's like $130 for a carpeted one. That's why I just got the foam. Expensive for foam, but you know, I'll support companies that make stuff for this car. Filming this video on a Sunday on my day off. The car is on point for running errands. Sunday drive.